Hello everyone, welcome to our topic, power of a product law of exponent. Okay, so let me bring you the context of power of a product law of exponent. The power of a product law of exponent is used to find the result of a product that is raised to an exponent. So according to this rule, distribute the exponent to each of the multiplicand of the product. So here is the guide uh, for you to follow when you simplify a expression. Okay, so let's say we have a, b, and we have the power of m. So this power m will be distributed to a and b. So that is why we have a raised to the power of m and b raised to the power also of m. Okay, so that is the formula. Okay, so let's go to now the exercises on power of a product law of exponent. Okay, so let us start with this expression 2a with the power of 3. This is equals to, so 2 will receive the power of 3 as well as this a will also have the power of 3. Okay, so this is how to simplify. So we will multiply 2 3 times. So 2 times 2, that is 4, times 2, that is 8. Then copy this a raised to the power of 3. Okay, so that is how to simplify. Next, what about this problem? So 6x raised to the power of 3 with the power of 2. So we have 2 exponent. So this is how to simplify. 6 will receive the power of 2 as well as this x cube will be multiplied with this 2. Okay, this is how to simplify. We will multiply 6 twice. So 6 times 6, that is 36. Then the power of x 3 multiplied to the power of 2. So this becomes now x to the power of 6. Okay, so as simple as that. Okay, so let's go to another exercises on power of product law of exponent. Okay, so what about this expression x squared over y to the power of 4. Okay, so this is how to solve. Is equals to x squared will be multiplied to the power of 4 and this denominator y will receive the power of 4. Okay, this is how to simplify. So our x will have a power of 8, which will multiply 2 times 4, that is 8, and copy this denominator y raised to the power of 4. Okay, so that is how to solve this expression using the power of a product law of exponent. Okay, so what about this expression? Okay, so the numerator and denominator will receive the power of 3. So we have 2x. This 2 will receive the power of 3. Okay. And also this x. Okay. And the denominator 3. 3y squared will also receive the exponent of 3. 3 to the power of 3. This y squared will be multiplied to the power of 3. Okay, so we will multiply the 2 3 times. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2, that is 8. Then copy the x raised to the power of 3. Okay, so next, the denominator 3 will be multiplied 3 times. So 3 times 3, 9 times 3, that is 27. 27, then y squared will be multiplied to 3. So this becomes now y to the power of 6. Okay, so as simple as that. So I hope that you learned from this video presentation. Thank you for watching.